Namaskar. Welcome to Tasty Town Recipes. Today, I am preparing Dalgona Candy or sponge candy. This is very light, spongy yet crispy in texture. For a little twist, I am making Dalgona cough candy. It is super easy, delicious and healthy too. Let us look at the ingredients. Sugar 1 tablespoon. Eno fruit salt 1/8 teaspoon. Dry ginger powder 1/8 teaspoon. 3 drops of lemon juice. Keep small pan on top of the stove. Pour 1 tablespoon sugar on it. Here I am using white sugar as brown sugar gives little darker color to the candy. Keep the flame very low and stir continuously as we don't want sugar to change its color. After 3 minutes, it starts melting. The sugar has to melt completely like a syrup. Now I am adding dry ginger powder and 3 drops of lemon juice. Mix completely. Now add Eno fruit salt. Mix it continuously and take it out from the flame. Pour it on the parchment paper. Here is a smart tip. Don't take sugar in more quantity because at last stage need to be more quick. The sugar start caramelize faster and candy become darker in color. Store these spongy candies in the glass container and keep inside the refrigerator for daily use. Enjoy the Dalgona cough candy. Eat healthy and stay healthy. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.